In this tutorial, I'll show you how to align objects in Figma so your designs look clean, organized, and professional. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the objects you want to align. You can hold Shift and click each object or drag a selection box around multiple elements. Once your objects are selected, look at the toolbar on the right side of the screen. You'll find several alignment options, including Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, Align Top, Align Middle, and Align Bottom. To align objects to the left edge, click Align Left. To line them up on the right edge, click Align Right. If you want everything centered, use Align Center or Align Middle depending on the direction you need. You can also experiment with the different alignment tools to quickly organize rows, columns, icons, buttons, or other design elements. If the result isn't what you expected, simply use Undo and try another alignment option until you achieve the layout you want. And that's it. You've successfully aligned objects in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.